वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 6 इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 11 द पियानो। इस वीडियो में हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे और इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको जल्द ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, तो आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। रीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, कंप्लीट द जर्नी ऑफ द पियानो बाय कंप्लीटिंग दिस फ्लो चार्ट। Mr. Morgan's brother Andrew finds it during the war. Andrew's friend gives it to Andrew's brother Kenneth Morgan. He takes it to Calcutta. He teaches a boy named Jogan. Jogan learns how to play and finds a friend in it who brings him joy and solace. Mr. Morgan gives the piano to Jogan when he leaves India. Uncle Jogan has an idea and gives the piano to Meera, his granddaughter, as a gift. Question B. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. First one, tomorrow. Don't take your usual route to the High Court. Please heed my advice. I am afraid I won't see you after this. You will no longer be Mr. Morgan, but the British Empire to me. Thank you for the music. Question number A. What did Jogan advise Mr. Morgan and why? Answer. Jogan advised Mr. Morgan not to take his usual route to the High Court tomorrow because he was afraid that something might happen to him. He wanted Mr. Morgan to stay safe and avoid any potential danger. Question number B. What does Jogan mean by you will no longer be Mr. Morgan but the British Empire to me? Answer. When Jogan says you will no longer be Mr. Morgan but the British Empire to me, he means that if something were happen to Mr. Morgan, he would see him as a representation of the British Empire rather than as an individual. This suggests the strong impact of Mr. Morgan's action on Jogan's perception of the colonialism. Question number C. What motivated Jogan to warn Mr. Morgan? Answer. Jogan was motivated to warn Mr. Morgan out of concern for his safety and well being. He cared about Mr. Morgan and didn't want to see him harmed, especially considering the tense political situation during the Indian freedom struggle. Question number 2. A piano is a quaint friend to have. Meera. A piano can talk to you and tell you stories. If you learn how to play it, you will be able to hear its stories. Question number A. Who is the speaker of these lines? Answer. The speaker of these lines is Uncle Jogan. Question number B. What can the piano do according to the speaker? Answer. According to the speaker, the piano can talk to you and tell you stories. If you learn how to play it, you will be able to hear its stories. Question number C. Can the piano really do these things? What does the speaker mean by these lines? Answer. The speaker is using figurative language to convey the idea that playing the piano can be a deeply enriching and meaningful experience. The piano itself does not literally talk and tell stories, but through playing and interacting with it, one can unlock its potential to evoke emotions and memories, thus forming a unique bonds with the instrument. Correction of spellings. Piano emotions. emotions. Question number C. Answer these questions briefly. First one. Who found the piano first? When did he find it? Answer. Andrew, Mr. Morgan's brother, found the piano during First World War One. Second question. How did Jogan start learning to play the piano? Answer. Jogan started learning to play the piano from Mr. Morgan, who taught him. Question number 3. What was Bina's plan to win India's freedom? Was her plan successful? Answer. Bina's plan to win India's freedom involved distributing pamphlets and organizing protests against the British Empire. It was not successful as she was apprehended before executing her plan. Question number 4. Briefly summarize the letter sent to Jogan by Morgan in March 1947. Answer. The letter sent to Jogan by Morgan in March 1947 expressed Morgan's farewell as he was leaving India. He mentioned arranging for the piano to be delivered to Jogan and expressed his best wishes. Question number 5. Compare Mira's feeling before and after meeting Uncle Jogan. Answer. Before meeting Uncle Jogan, Mira felt uncertain and apprehensive, but after meeting him and receiving the piano, she felt grateful and happy and found comfort and solace in the gift. Question number 6. Answer. Uncle Jogan gifted Mira the piano because he believed it would be a wonderful friend, bringing her joy and companionship. Additionally, he wanted to pass on the piano's legacy as it had played a significant role in his life.
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।